What's up, everybody? It's your boy Patch Matches. Playing some GTA 5. Just killing. Damn it, missed. Killing police officers. I got a couple mods installed and thought you guys wanted to see them. First of all, I got basic trainer and enhanced trainer mods that are needed. Whoa! Get away from my house! Right now, I'm just defending my home from these sons of bitches that think they can enter my home for some strange fucking reason. Shit! Stop fucking shooting me! I'm gonna unleash my power! There you go! There you go! Have another fucking one. I know you ain't in my driveway! What the fuck? See, that's what happens when you try to mess with Michael. Let's get my musket back out. I like that thing. Damn, I think I shot him right in the nuts. And boom, goes the dynamite. Oh, shot him in the leg. Ooh, in the hip. Y'all wanna fucking shoot at me, huh? Say hello to my little friend. He just walked right into that one. What idiot. Don't tell me what to do. It's my house. Ah! Oh no, help me, I've been shot. Pump shotgun. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah. You like that, don't you? Well, let's make these bullets tenfold. Fuck me? No, sir. Fuck you. As you can see, my bullets are now tenfold. Shit. There you go, have a grenade. Yeah. Alright, let's get rid of tenfold bullets. I will leave a link to all the mods that I have in the description below, so that way you guys can just download them when you guys want to. I am. Oh, you better fucking. That's what happens when you fuck with me in my house. There you go. There you go. Have an RPG. Yep, bitch. Suck on them. You can even grab pedestrians. Watch. Is this your buddy? Oh, is this your friend? Oh, you want your friend back? There you go. Sometimes pedestrians will freeze up. Alright, let's take this fight somewhere else. I don't know what the fuck I just did. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go driving. Yes, you do. Whee! Whee! Ah, shit. Oops. Alright. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. That's right, just make a pile of bodies for me. There we go. Alright, any more idiots? Now my game might crash because I used special abilities while you already using special abilities. I'm like a fucking terrorist right now. Yeah. Fucking idiot. Let's get out the minigun. Alright, let's go back to the house. I'm gonna get rid of these cops that are on my tail. Then we're gonna end the video here. Alright, let's save game. Father and son. Eh. That does it for this video. If you liked what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the share button, share on all your social media sites, and leave a comment below on what mod you want to see me play next. Alright?